Hello guys, welcome again. This is Raja and I hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to analyze a beautiful potential stock which I've added it on my watch list for this Diwali. So please make sure to watch the entire video. Do not skip any part because the analysis part is very important, and just because I posted this doesn't mean the stock will skyrocket. So make sure to analyze well and only enter at a place where I'm suggesting in this video, and also same goes for the stop loss. So yeah, this would be my Diwali pick. Let's get started. Hello guys, so in this video we are going to analyze Godfrey Phillips, which is the potential stock that we are going to analyze today. Look at this beautiful channel pattern, or whatever pattern that you could call. This is the major resistance, correct? It has been on sideways trend ever since December 2006, January 2016, almost 7 years. If there is a breakout happening after a 6-year or 7-year pattern, you can expect the movement to be very high, and the prices could gain a lot. There is a potential. Okay, so look at this. From 2011 till 2015, almost 4 to 5 years, the stock has been on a complete sideways trend, right? This is another beautiful triangle pattern. And what had happened previously, a 155% move, and after that it has started to consolidate. So similar kind of setup in monthly time frame. So the important thing for you to notice is that you have to wait for this month to close, because previous time also it tested. Anyone who tried to buy before the close, they were in loss for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. Only now if they are still holding after 5 months, they are in profit. Okay, so what does it mean? It means there is a chance of a wick creating in this trend line. So it is absolutely necessary to wait for the month to end. On a weekly time frame, it is quite bullish, and the previous week it was nicely waiting, it was testing here. So my main idea behind this pattern is that if a 4-year pattern could result in a 150% move, definitely a 6-year pattern can give at least, if not 150%, at least some 50%, right? So that is my expectation. Probably could reach up to 1800 at least. That is the minimum, and this is only valid if it closes above. This is how it all works. And if you ask me, there is another pattern inside this, correct? And if you ask me if I traded that, yes, we did trade this pattern in our community. I posted it right exactly 16 days back, exactly during the breakout. Okay, I've been waiting for this stock. I've been waiting for this breakout to happen for, you have no idea how long I've been waiting. Okay, I think ever since this has been testing, I've been waiting, and I found this pattern to be very perfect, and exactly right at this area I posted this, and there was an 18% move from here to here. And yes, a lot of people made a good amount of money in this community, JFT community. And yes, there is an offer going on for this course as well, so please make sure to use of this offer. There is not going to be any offer for another 1 year. Only next Diwali there is going to be an offer, so just make use of it. Whatever you pay for the course fee, you will definitely recover it. These are the proofs. And also, don't feel that you have already missed out. Let me explain you. This is a pattern. This is a daily pattern. If the daily pattern breakout is giving 18%, think about what's the weekly or the monthly time frame pattern is going to give in terms of ROI. So don't feel left out or being late. I would still consider entering again when the month closes. So there is still a lot of potential. I hope you understood that. Okay, this is all, and please give me a like to this video if you found this video helpful. And also I would like to clarify that this is just an analysis video. Please do not enter in this trade just because I posted it. There is a high chance that it could hit my stop loss. Okay guys, I have an announcement to make. So for the past 2 or 3 years, people have been requesting me to create an option buying course, and finally here I am ready with the option buying course. So if you are new to option, definitely you can enroll. This is for people who can start from scratch and become an advanced level of option buyer. The goal here is to become a consistent trader in option buying, and I have explained in detail about everything in the course, and you will be also a part of our option community, which is where I share all my patterns and everything, potential stocks from which you can take a trade. So the recovery of course fee is easy, and there is an offer going on, 5,000 rupees offer, so for this Diwali. So please make sure to use JFT Diwali coupon code and enroll. URL would be justfortraders.in/options, and I'll just attach the link below in the pinned comment. Thank you. Okay, coming to the stop loss, I think I forgot to explain that. So basically if you are entering in monthly time frame, let's say even if Godfrey Philip is closing exactly right here, exactly right where it is right now, it is still a good candle. Okay, only if it is going down, or either if it has a huge wick, it can go sideways for some more months and then it will move up. Okay, it is important that it closes very strong the month end. If it is closing very strong, just look at the daily time frame and see if there is a swing low is happening, or see if the weekly. For now, there is the best way to put your stop losses here only, guys, because sometimes what could happen, it could just go sideways for some more days, and it could even test this area, this trend line, and then again breakout. So you have to be prepared for all kinds of events, and you just have to be prepared and act accordingly. Okay, so the stop loss again is very subjective. You can either keep here, or if you think that's too huge, you can keep under this trend line, somewhere around here. Anything is fine, wherever you think, but the thing is, a good tip I would give you is, if your stop loss is a little bit deep, you can avoid stop loss hunting. Okay, normally what happens during these monthly breakouts and all, they will try to take out all the retailers, and they will try to stop you out, and then they will take the prices to new prices. So please be aware of that, and enter and put your stop loss accordingly. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video with patience, and if you like this video, please like it, and if you have any doubts, comment, and don't forget to enroll to my courses before the offer runs out. Please make sure to enroll it. Okay, justfortraders.in for the main equity course, and justfortraders.in/options for the option buying course. Okay, two courses have two different communities and two set of charts being posted. Okay, so yeah, that would be all. Thank you so much.